This is Femi Smiles.
We're going to Osaka to a cafe and we're going to see one of our friends launching their book, ZayZay Safari Adventure. It's going to be fun. Got a little Pokemon man here. Hello.
Hello.
What was that?
Chocolate.
Wow. We went to another Alright, so we found a place and we're just in time. So let's go and enjoy it. What's that reflective thing at the right of the screen?
Can everyone say adventure?
And we're getting the tiger. Cute. You look handsome.
Thank you, that's right, good job.
Yay.
Alright, excellent.
But you're a tiger, you're gonna eat an elephant. See? Get it? You can't even see my face, but anyway, we just finished a ZayZay Safari Adventure and we're just going to head to the Pokemon Center and have some lunch. Daddy Day!
We are going to Pokemon Center.
Turn it. Yeah. Come in. We don't have to run, but we have to move. What is it here? I love Muji, man, it's so clean, so nice. What's good, we just got back from Osaka, so we went to the book launch and got the reading. It was a really cool event. It was nice to have like an international vibe. The cafe was really cool. You have different people from different places. And then went to the Pokemon Center, and then we went home, we came home. But we took, one of the best things is we took 5 different train lines. And do you remember the train lines?
Yes.
Come and tell me.
Whisper.
Whisper? Okay, you whisper to me, tell me. Which train lines? JR line. Oh, Tanimachi line. Karasuma line. Tozai line. Hankyu line. And Keishin line. Wow. How many?
5.
5? 6? I'm not sure. 10? 127? No. Alright, cool. What about the book? Show us the book. And this is the book we got. This is ZayZay's Adventure, and we got it signed by Matt Michaels. Thanks. And Ruth doing their thing. That was really good. It was a really good event. I'd like to have more international events, especially in Kyoto.
6 train.
Oh, 6 trains. Femi Smile signing out. Bye. Oh yeah, you can get this out on Amazon, man. On Amazon. It's really cool, man. Really nice pictures and illustrations of animals.
Animals.
People.
Is Kiboko.
Kiboko.